know what happens if you ride a car on banana peels. So let's see what happens if you ride a dirt bike on banana peels. I've been collecting these for about 2 weeks now, and these bananas are getting absolutely disgusting. I think first we're just going to try running over one. Let's do it. Nothing really happens, so let's add all of them into the pile. Why is nothing happening? I've been lied to my whole life. Let's lay them out in a straight line and see what happens then. Alright, let's do it. How did nothing happen? These are biodegradable, so let's dispose of them in an environmentally friendly way.